While Frank is doing that, if you have question based on what I explained, go ahead to ask question. And if you don't have question, uh, okay, I think it's done. Okay, let's see it. All right. Okay. Student scores, serial number, names, gender. Okay.
Yeah.
Click on the picture. Let me see what happens on the picture.
Yeah, the picture is clickable, but it's not taking us to anywhere.
Oh, I like that. Okay. Click on Bimbo. Where is it taking us to?
Okay, this bimbo. This bimbo.
Okay. Bimbo is taking us to Bimbo profile. Okay.
Yeah.
This is good. Okay, go back. Go back. Let's see. Okay. Okay, click on Frank. Where is Frank taking us to?
Okay, Frank would take us to Frank profile.
Okay. Frank profile. That's your profile, right? And Frank.
Yes, that's Frank profile.
Okay. All right, go back. Let's see the last one. Let's see where the remark is taking us to.
Remark. Okay, remark. It takes us to the student's remarks.
Student's remark. Okay. Now, what you've done here now, you applied CSS. This is not ordinary HTML. Let's go back to the table.
Yes.
You apply CSS to it, and that's why you're able to style
Okay,
it.
sir.
Did you make the table width?
Yes.
Did you make it from the CSS or you make it from the HTML?
I did inline styling, so I did it inside the table.
Okay, let's see your code. Let's see your code so others can learn from there.
Okay, this is my code. This is my code, sir.
Okay. It's still coming up. We have not seen it.
Yes.
You're not sharing your code, you're only sharing the
Okay.
browser. The web page is what we are saying.
Okay. Oh.
While Frank is doing that, I believe you guys understand the inline styling method. I'm still going to actually throw more light to it before we move to the next one. Uh, Dennis Dowdu, I believe you understand the inline styling method. Or you have a question?
The inline styling method very well. The thing is, I've experienced that in the past anyway. So
You've
it
done
just
what?
made it perfect. I've 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 seen the inline styling method before. You know,
Okay.
I used to try to edit this HTML code on inside WordPress, and at times I mess it up. Then I'll beg someone to do it for me. But this inline thing, I just put the style and then start putting all of those columns in front of all of the variables.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
I understand it.
do you know it is called inline styling method?
Never.
You just type your own and
I
put.
did not know. I just I've been doing trial and error all these years.
You've been using it for years.
For like 2 3 years now. All I know is I just know that okay, this is what I'm. You know what I used to do is I'll just look at how the code is inside that place. Then I'll be following suit. I'll be following suit because
Uh-huh.
there was a time I designed a site. I don't know how to do what I needed to do. So I'll go and copy another site code after I open the source code. So I'll now be changing
The
the values.
values.
So my yes, so my site will look like just the exact site I copied from. I was thinking of how to go beyond that. No way. But at least I can get something out and show one that I've done. But with this now, yes, I'm sure I know what I'm doing.
Okay, okay. Good to hear that. Good to hear that. Well done.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's continue. Frank is I think maybe by mistake he has clicked on end meeting. So he should join us back. Let's continue with what we're doing.
Okay.
Now the inline styling method, let's continue with this. Let me share my screen. I believe you guys can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we can still do more to this. I can apply something called padding as well. Now, what is padding? I will explain that. Let me just put it by putting it, you should see what it does. Now, take a look at this. The text is actually touching the edge of the background. So I want the text to actually, I want to put a space here so that the text will not be too close to the background and so on. Likewise, the top and the bottom. All I need to apply is called the padding. And the padding is this. Padding. Then I have for the padding, I can put, let's say, 30 px. 30 px you apply to the up, the bottom, the left, and the right. Then if you go back now, you will see I have a space before the text, unlike before. Let me change it to 60 times 2. So you will see, you can see now. Space here, space here, space here. And that is padding. And that's one of the things you can do again with inline styling method. Now, anything, you can keep applying so many things here, but you make sure it falls in between the codes, the opening codes of the style attribute and the closing codes of the style attribute. For every property and value that you apply, always put a semicolon after the value before writing another property name. This is a property name. This is the value. The semicolon follows. Now, what actually separates the property from the value is a colon. A colon. Why? So let me admit this person. I don't know who is there. Okay, Amaka. Now, what actually separates the value from the property is a colon. So the colon here, the colon here is what differentiates the property name from the value. And every value should always end with a semicolon. Take note of that. Every value should always end with a semicolon, and so on and so forth. So that is inline styling method. It can apply to so many things like this. Again, let's see how this works on the button. Like this. The button now I have, let's say, register. Now inside this register now, I want to actually style it using the inline styling pattern. Style equals to, then now let's see the button first, how it looks like. Now see the button here, register. Let me comment the one above. Let me comment this. To comment this, all you need to do, now let me teach you that shortcut for you to understand. Now I want to comment this tag, just the P tag, the paragraph tag. I can highlight the tag, the entire tag with the right top, or I put my cursor before the tag, or I put my cursor after the closing tag or before the opening tag. Then I will press my control key down with the forward slash, control key down add your forward slash while you are still holding your control key. Then it will be, the comment will apply to it. That is the shortcut. So in case you see me doing that, that's how to comment. The shorthand form. You hold your control key
Can
down,
you come again?
you press your forward slash. Your forward slash should be found after your greater than symbol on the keyboard. It's after your greater than symbol on the keyboard, you will see your forward slash. So that is how you can apply comments using the shorthand form. Now back to this. The button is there. See the button
Can you
there.
repeat that, sir?
What do you say?
Can you repeat that, sir? Can you repeat that, sir? The shortcut. The shortcut.
You want to learn shortcut?
Is it, you said the control key and
Is that Frank?
something? Yes, it's Frank. Can you
Frank,
repeat
want to
that
learn
shortcut? That shortcut.
Okay.
Like shortcut, eh?
What do you say?
I need that shortcut, sir.
You
I
too, you
said
need the
Frank like
shortcut. Okay.
yes, so shortcut is it.
I will show you the shortcut. Now this is the shortcut. I will go back to the code and I will type it here. See the shortcut here. Hold your depress control key and add this symbol. Can you see that on the screen?
Yes.
That is the shortcut. The highlighted is the shortcut.
Oh,
Can you see
okay.
that?
Yes, sir.
Is it working now?
Thank you, sir. Yes.
All right. So let's continue.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So now I have here, sorry, my shortcut is actually appearing here. Let me take it off, or let me comment it off. Now I have here register as a button. What happened there?
Oh,
It's not buttons, it's button. So I have here as a button, and I want to style this button. Before it was not showing because I put S at the back of the button. So it should be button, not buttons. That is our typographic error. Now, I want to style this button now. I will put style. Then I want to change the background color of the button. The background color of the button to, let's say, blue. Let's see what happens to the button. The color has changed to blue. I want to remove this black thick line around it. All I need to do is to continue from the place where I have my semicolon. And I will say the border, that is called border. That thing that is around it is called a border. So you say border to be none. That means you should not have a border around it. And if I go there, the border is gone. Then I want the color of the text, which is register. The color of the text, which is register, I want it to actually have color white. All I need to do is to continue from where I stop the border, which is here. Then I will say the color of the property name is called color. Then I'll put white here. White. Then the text color will change to white. I can still do more here. I can say, okay, I want a padding. I want space, enough space here at the top and at the bottom. Then I go there and put something called a padding. Then the top of the padding and the bottom, I can apply equal padding to it, 20px, like this. Then I should have it something like this. This is too big. Sorry about that. It's too big. Let me just reduce it. Let me just put 10 for the padding. 10 for the padding. Yes, something like this. Then I want the button to actually be like something like oval shape, oval. Then I go ahead again to write or to type border radius to be 50 px, 50 px. That should make the button to go in oval shape. You can see that oval shape. Then when I point to the button, it is showing me in form. I'm seeing the mouse cursor in form of arrow. I want it to be in form of a palm sign, a palm. Then I go back again and I will add something called cursor, cursor, like this, as pointer, cursor as pointer. So when I go to check, I will see that the it should change to something like this, a palm sign, not arrow sign like what is underneath the blue. If I point to the blue now, it shows me a palm sign, as if something that needs to be clipped. So that is inline styling method. And what we have done today is called CSS, cascading style sheet, using the inline styling method by directly writing into the tag, writing your CSS or your styling directly rather inside the tag, directly to the tag. That is inline styling method. Assignment now. Get your notes and let's do this. Assignment. Now the assignment is this. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the assignment is this. The table that you guys created, the table, you are going to apply your inline styling method to it, the inline styling pattern, to style that table. Make the background of the table to have color yellow. Let me write it out for you guys. Assignments. That is now the table, already created table. Apply styling to it using inline method. The table should have a background color of yellow. The right top should have color red. The right top should have color red, or should be color red. Let me just use the word should be color red. The right top should be color red. Then again, the links should have background color of red, and the text on the link, the text for the link should be color yellow, rather should be color yellow. should be color yellow. Okay. Then lastly, your heading, the heading titled student scores should be or should have a background color of blue, and the text should be color white. Yes, this is the assignment, and this is what I want you guys to do. If you have a question, please go ahead and ask your question, because I will be going to the next class. You have a question, go ahead, ask your question before we leave. I believe this is clear. Blessing, are you there?
Teacher, I'm here.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
The
Thank you,
assignment
sir.
is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. But you don't have the table already. Blessing. Do you
Sir?
have the table? You don't have the table, Blessing.
Teacher. Table.
Yes, it is the table that you guys did yesterday. The one they did yesterday that you are going to start today.
I can create the table by myself. That's not a problem.
But do you know the data inside the table?
I see when Amaka and the other guy was showing their table, so I
Okay,
think
this is the table. Let me
took
just save the
picture.
time. See the table here. See the right up. Can you see that? You can
Okay.
use your phone to screenshot, or you use your print the screen on your keyboard to screenshot it from the laptop screen that you are working
Thank
with.
you.
Have you seen it?
Yes, sir. I already took the picture.
Yes, that is
Thank
the
you, sir.
assignment for the table. So after creating this, then you use the new the assignment for today to beautify this table.
Okay, sir.
All right, there.
That's it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any question there again? Is anybody there with question? No question. Okay. I'm going to check this on Saturday and make sure you do it, because it will actually help you to build the muscle memory that you need to become a programmer. If you have any question, you can direct to me. You can chat me up using the school WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is 081 38 36 73 73. Femtech Computer Institute. We have so many things to offer you. It's not only programming. You can learn even as a beginner. If you have someone that wants to learn as a beginner, we have the courses here for beginners. We have professional courses. We have so many courses. So even though that person does not even know computer at all, he doesn't even know how to hold mouse, tell the person to chat us up or to call that number. We will teach the person from scratch, and the person will turn to be from we are going to make the person from a zero to become a hero. That's what we do here, and that's what we do for a living. So irrespective of the level of the person, level of understanding, maybe the person is a slow learner, the person very well. Coming here, you don't even need to come to the school. We'll teach you online, and you will grab and you will learn and you will do well. The JavaScript course is still on. If you want to apply for it, the training fee is just 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira. And the course is coming up by September. Be among the early birds. be among the early birds so that you can register for the JavaScript course. Okay, Timileyin, you want question? Okay, you have a
Yes,
question
sorry, sir.
rather.
No, concerning the free, sorry, the new this thing that I just said now. One of my junior brother is here. He said he want to start the beginners class. Sorry, that what was the price?
Okay. For beginners class, we have different. Is it beginners class in programming or beginners class as a beginner? I mean, I'm talking about basic computer training.
Beginner. It did not have any basic stuff on all this stuff. He's an architect, but when he's seeing the class, that's why he was like him to he want to learn something like this.
Okay, for programming.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. If it is for programming, Timileyin, chat me up, then I will send you you have the number, right? 081 38
Yes, sir.
36 73 73. Chat me up after when it is around 15 after 9. Then I should be done with the other class.
All right.
Then I will send you the details that you need to go through, and you will conclude with that.
All right, sir.
All right. Thank you, Timileyin. Sunday, you are okay. Blessing, don't mind me. Blessing, go ahead. You have a question?
Not a question really. Because it's a normal. I like a complaint. I don't know.
Okay,
I
go ahead.
register for personal class, so I don't like my teacher. I want it to be you. So and I'm trying to cooperate to the management. They did not do anything about it.
I didn't get what you said.
I register for JavaScript class
Okay.
and another course like that. So I wanted to change my teacher. I want it to be you. So I've put it across to the school management, but nothing is done.
You
So I'm telling you now that I want you to be the teacher if I can get change of teacher.
okay? Okay. So you want the teacher to be me. You want to change your teacher, right?
Yes, exactly.
All right, no problem. I will talk to the management, then we'll look into that. Now that is not a problem when it comes to such. So far you want me to teach you, then I will talk to the management, then I will take charge of that class so I can teach you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Because your happiness is our concern, and we actually want to impart in you. If that is what you want, then it will be sorted out. Please. We are so sorry for that.
Thank you.
We are so sorry for that. So we'll handle that well. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Don't forget to join the next class. The next class is coming up immediately now. I'll just switch over to the next class. And you are going to learn. Guess what we are going to do there? JavaScript. That's what we are treating there. I know people are already waiting for me. So JavaScript. Don't miss that class for anything. The class won't stay long. In the next 15-30 minutes, we'll leave there. But we're going to talk about something so interesting. JavaScript. Just come over. I don't want to talk too much. I don't like exaggerating. Come over to that class. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye for now.